Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to go over how to move your taskbar to the left side of your screen. So let's go ahead and get into it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to go over here and bring it down to the open space on your taskbar, and then I'm going to use my mouse and right click on my mouse. And then this little pop-up will come and I'm going to click on taskbar settings. Keep in mind, if you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. So now from here, now that I have my settings window open, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to taskbar behaviors. And I'm going to click on that. And then it will open up here. And then when it says taskbar alignment, with the drop down here, I'm going to change it from center to left. Just like that, I have more of a Windows 10 kind of vibe going on, but it is, so if you like the layout better, if you like the slightly different approach, then this might be a good option for you, and it will save that setting when you restart, so you don't have to worry about it constantly going back to it. But if you say, hey, that's not for me, I like this, I like the way it was before, then you can go ahead and you can move it back to center. Just like that. So really easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.